Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. As you may remember, in my video when I presented my truck and showed it to you, this button here, it was still in there, but it was stuck into the inside position, and this whole step did not come out. So I messed around with it, the button fell out, and I finally got it fixed. So now if I push this metal here in, it will come out, okay? But there's more to it than that. So in this video I'm going to show you what I did and how you can fix it, and how I can have what I have to do to finish this, because there's some stuff that is broken, it has to be finished. So the first step is to take this off. So this whole cover comes off, and I'm gonna go and try and pry that out with a little pry tool like this, so that we don't break it. See, and it's already pretty much not broken, but not very good anymore. See these little tabs here? There's one that's missing here. Okay, there's one that's missing here. I believe there's one here missing here, and then we have this is completely missing, and this one here is missing too. So yeah, someone worked on this before I bought the truck. It is what it is, can't change that right now. Okay, now that this is off and I cleaned it last time, we have a better look at it. So this is the mechanism here, and I'll take this off the tripod here to show you. I mean, I'll leave it on the tripod, but fold the tripod. Okay, you see this, the mechanism is in here, and let's pull it out so that we have a better view on it. Let me check what the camera does. Here we go. Yeah, it's always that one-handed thing here is not very good. Okay, this is how it comes down, and I'm gonna put the tailgate up so that we can see it like this. How about this? It's definitely not designed to do this. Hold on. This was not a good idea. Anyways, let me get something in between here. Now we can see it. This is the mechanism right here. Okay, I gotta let it go because I have only one hand here. Let's do this different. Okay, I put a piece of wood in between here. Okay, this little hook here is what unhooks the whole step. So you push that in, and you can hear it. There's a spring in here. You see that? And the spring is right there. There's a spring, and this is not optimal to see that. It's hard to see, but anyways, this pushes a little tap down, which pushes this to the left, and the spring brings the button back up. It works okay now. So what I did, I lubricated it, and that's about all I did. Now what I didn't do is, see these guys here, they need to come out, because if you put those in through that cover here, see those holes here? Those holes, you put them in through there, then this will stay on a little bit better. And I have to put the button back in as well. Now you can buy this new, and you can also buy an aftermarket one on the internet, so that's an option too, and I may have to do that because a lot of these tabs are broken that's supposed to be holding in here. Now see this screw here? Yeah, this one and this one. Now if you loosen these, you can go up or down with the whole mechanism here, and so that will determine how tight it stays in or how loose it is. So you can do that if you want to adjust your step a little bit on your Ford truck. Okay, what are we gonna do now? We'll take the button and we'll try to put it back in there. And I have the button right here, and how does that button go back in there? That's the question here. It should be, see, there's the button here. It should be easy to slide it back in, because there's little channels here to guide it. See that? So the button is now back in, but does it really slide? Yeah. Okay, this is why I was stuck. But it's all flimsy plastic. It was stuck. I don't think it was stuck in here. I think it was stuck because this mechanism here was somehow not lubricated enough and was stuck. Because now the spring and everything works good. Okay, got that checked out. Now we gotta get these guys out here. I have a little broken screwdriver, and I'll go get it. Okay. See, I got one opened here, and the trig is they're really hard to get out. But if you go in with this broken, go in right here, you can kind of work it. You can kind of work it out. See, I do that left-handed now. Of course, that's not working. Okay, you got the idea. You got to work it out somehow. Push in here and work it out. Okay, so if you ever deal with this, you take this with a pry tool, like the orange one I have. Take this out first, see, and then this guy will come out too. Then when you put it back in, see how that gets tight and then it loosens up. When you push this one in, push this one in, this thing here spreads. Okay, it spreads, and then you won't get it out anymore. That's how it works. So let me get the piece of wood out, and then we could put the whole plastic cover back on. Okay, I'm probably not very smart, but I don't find a different way than putting this piece of wood up here the other way to put that back on. And now the wind kicks in. I hope you can still hear me. Okay, gently tap those. Tap that piece of plastic here back in, and remember these guys here, they break really easy. So you hear them snap in. There you go. Hear that? So be gentle with that, because a lot of them are already broken. I can guarantee you on your truck, if it's not the newest one, and if you take that out, they'll snap off too, or maybe someone else worked on them and they'll snap off too. So before I put these guys in that we just took out, I want to see if it works. Here's that plastic button, it's back in. Let's see it, push it. Yeah, seems to work now, see? Okay, and next time, from time to time, I will spray some lubricant in here. And as for lubricants, maybe we'll talk about that in a different video, because there are some lubricants that you should use, and there are some lubricants that you should not use. You know, some attract the dust really bad, and that's not good. Okay, let's put these guys back in, and then I'll demonstrate how the step works. Okay, this goes in like that. It always looks easier than it is, doesn't it? And where did that go? The wind kicked in and it flew away. It's, of course, ridiculous. Yeah, it's one of them flew away. Okay, we got one here. Where did the other one go? Okay, this one is in, and that won't go anywhere now. Now, where did the other one go? It flew away. I just had it. Alright, and it really did fly away, but I found it. So, yeah, sometimes you gotta have some luck. Okay, I put the whole thing back together, and let's see how it works. So, push the button. Tailgate opens. So far, so good. Push this. Pops out. Pull on it. Down. And there you go. That's your step. See? That's all it is. And it seems to work fine. Now this here, I would lubricate that as well. You know, there's a button here, number 1 and number 2, so that you know exactly how to fold it back in. First number 1, then number 2. And then this here just pops down to the ground. It's fairly heavy, to be honest. It's fairly heavy. And then when you step on this, there's a spring on the step. See? And it's anti-slip. which is great. And yeah, there you have it. Pretty easy, nice to get in your bed. And with a camper shell, not as useful, but still pretty nice step here. And it says no step on this here for whatever reason. It shouldn't step on there. Yeah, so I hope this helped any of you that have the same issue and the same problems with the tailgate step. Hope so. And yeah, I think I wanted to buy this new. I think I'll keep it. There's a little bit of a gap. I think I'll keep it for now, the old one, and if it really comes off or gives me issues, then I'll buy a new one. So next time I wash the truck, I'll wash in here. See how dirty that is? So keep all this here clean too, because that's where that little hook latches on. So keep that clean so that's nice and smooth, and you keep everything working right. That's my advice for this. I hope this helped you, and please like and subscribe me. It's me, my channel, and give me a thumbs up. And the wind is really kicking me in, throwing me off here. And leave a comment, tell me if you had this issue before with your truck. Wish you a happy Sunday, because it's Sunday right now, and a good week. And so I hope I see you soon on my channel. So come back soon, we'll see you then.